Losing my mind. Alright, too many damn fishing poles, guys. You got off, Sam.
He's on this one. Get that.
Fish are in here, Sam. There, guys. They're gonna be biting this. Get all these damn rods. Oh, that's a nice white bass.
Big old white bass, see? Ooh.
Look at that grass now.
That's look like sisters, don't they? Look at it.
Nice, very nice. What kind of lure was that? That caught that one?
The
Was it a rattle trap?
Rattle trap.
Okay. So I think I got a rattle trap there, rattle trap there.
Yeah,
I got natural color and orange.
Both of them was on rattle traps, wasn't they?
No, that was orange.
Oh, okay.
Rapala. Get him, Sam!
I mean, maybe it's a crappie.
Hey, little guys. There's little white bass in here, guys.
Come on.
Come on. We'll leave it out there. Do you feel the lure swimming? Let's put it back out to 90 feet. Yeah, they're little guys. Yeah, let me show you. It's a little guy. Yeah, throw him in the live well. We're using some bait. Let's get another one, man. Down. Fish all over the screen. Good one, Sam. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
He just pissed off.
If you had hooks in your lips, you'd be pissed off too. All right, what are we up to? That's number 4, ain't it? Gotta get. Oh, that's a nice fish, Sam.
After the fire is gone. Oh. That looked like a damn skipjack.
Come on, I gotta get bigger, Sam.
You might only do a half a click on that. That's his heart.
You're gonna have a sore mouth.
Blind purple people leave.
Get another monster. Boy, catching big fish today, boys.
Blind purple people
Fish on a
leader.
string. Fish on a string. Oh. All right, Sammy. We found some fish over here in Sam's secret spot. Let's get another one bent over, Sam.
I might. Now show me now.
All right. See how one line goes
to the tape.
See how there's only one line?
Yes.
Hybrid's going to have at least 2 or 3. And now there's another thing. Well, you make a fish taco.
He deserves a look, don't he?
If we was keeping them, did you click that last one? Did you click the last one? No, yeah, we did because we were at 6. All right, we're at 7. I went in and clicked it, so you got to catch them, Sam. You can't let them get away.
He deserves a look.
We need another one to bend over. Ooh, this bite's got to pick up, guys. All right, let's see if it's a big old crack. Let's see if it's a hybrid. I'll show you. It's another white bass.
God, big old white bass.
All right, you see how the one line goes to the tail?
Yeah.
Now if that was a hybrid, it'd be 2 or 3 lines. And then I'll show you the tongue if we catch a hybrid. These are all white bass, right? If we catch a hybrid, I'll show you the 2 dots on the tongue, the 2 spots. The white bass only has 1 spot. Yeah, just to let y'all know, striper hybrids, white bass, a lot of people get confused on how to tell them apart. 2 surefire ways. On the side of the lateral lines going down, white bass has 1 lateral line that goes all the way to the tail. Not 2 or not 3. Just 1 lateral line that makes it all the way to the tail. Striper hybrid are going to have at least 2 or 3. And then if you open the mouth and look at their tongue, white bass is only going to have 1 spot on the middle of his tongue. Hybrid striper are going to have 2 spots on their tongue. So next time you catch a hybrid and a white bass, you can look and you can see the tongue and just look at the lines going to the tail. 1 lateral line to the tail, white bass. 1 spot on the tongue, white bass. Fish on! Fish on! That's number 8. We're going to click it, Sam. Don't let him get away. Whew. We're having a tough time getting to Sam's favorite number, 13. That might be high.
Oh, very rain. Oh, that's
All right, see the difference? See the lines? See how 2 of the lines go to the tail? Hold on. Yeah, see how the 3 lines going all the way to the tail? Oh, all right, see? Get him, Sam! Get him! All right, guys, I'm taking this mini Mac. It's scaring the fish away. Another butter bean, Sam? You getting bigger? Wait, man. Just turn the camera off and the fish jumps on there. He's another butter bean. We ain't catching no monsters. God, look at all them fish on the screen. Come on, let's get a double, Sam. That's all right. We're gonna count them, Sam. Fish on the screen! Fish on the screen!
fish on. Fish on.
Which one?
Which come on?
There's little guys.
Oh, is he there?
No, they're just little guys.
Bill ain't even big enough to
Just little guys, little guys. I don't know where these big fish went, man. Good eater, Sam.
It was you turning.
Alright guys, we moved to another spot and we caught one within the first 2 minutes. So hopefully that's a good sign. Find some fish that want to cooperate.
He's gonna have so much mud on him time he gets in here.
Woo, getting close to that 13 mark. Number 11. Bendy, guys. Striper. Alright, see the striper? There's two lines going to the tail. Alright, see the two marks on the tongue? Here, see the two marks on the tongue? See the two? Getting bendy out here, boys and girls, getting bendy. Is to accept the Lord Jesus. Follow me. Going to the right. Do I go right or left? Is it good? Alright, we got the camera on? Yeah, we got the camera on. Alright, you want me to take it out of gear? It's the biggest one yet? Change the way you look at it. And open your eyes. God, that's a nice fish, Sam. You smell it? Yeah. Oh, I just farted. Oh. Catch and release! I did that on purpose. Yeah, we'll call that caught. Yeah, guys, I don't use a net with lures. Oh, you tangle up mess, hooks get in the net. You're wasting your time. That's why I use 20-pound test. I grab the line, pick them up, bring them in the boat. If we're letting them go, I just pick them up, grab the lure, and shake them off. If we're keeping them, I'll pick them up and get them in the boat. All right, that was a good one, Sam. All right, did we click that one? 12. Uh-oh. 12. Catch one more, we're gonna be stuck on that 13 again, Sam.
We gotta catch two.
Fish on the screen. Fish on the screen. That I call friends that are. Go ahead, get him, Sam. Got another one. Oh! Oh, Sam! Oh! 13! We're on the superstitious 13. Which way do you want to go? Little guy. You gonna bring him right over the table? Oh, Lord, Sam's. We're stuck on 13. Yep. Boy, I like that green color. Y'all, you can use any color you want fishing, as long as it's chartreuse. The natural color, guys, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Let me show you. Alright, so for instance, that's like natural, just a natural color of a shad. That's a white. Don't ask me why the white catches more than a natural color. That natural color has not caught a fish all day. Alright, Sammy, we got number 14. Got off of that superstitious number 13. Oh.
I messed up for what? This is only out 39 yards.
39 yards?
39 feet.
That's all right. It ain't got to be out there far. They'll hit it right behind the boat. I pull them. I just pull them. That's a striper. It's a striper. That's a nice striper, Sammy. Ain't no derby fish. Sammy, you gonna catch that last fish? You want me to reel it in?
I want you to.
Alright, is it there? Start reeling that stuff in. All right, 15 guys. We're calling it a day. Calling it a day. You go ahead and reel that in. I'll reel this other stuff.
That's about the whole biggest one go. If they pull the lights, you know it.
Nice fish. Nabro.
That's striker. Hybrid. Yeah. I can tell this.
All right, guys. We going to the poorhouse till we're out here again next time. Hopefully, maybe next time I come out, we'll be derby fishing. I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna get cold this weekend, so anyway, till next time, guys.